Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos relative to mathematics for higher education, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss maxima and minima. Now problem number first. Very most important problem. The problem is a rectangular box open at the top is to have a given capacity full stop. Find the dimension of the box requiring least material for its construction. Okay. Now repeat the question. A rectangular box open at the top to have a given capacity. Find the dimension of the box requiring least material for its construction. Now solution is, let x, y, z be the length, breadth and height of the box. Okay. Let V be the given capacity and S is the surface. Therefore, V is equal to x, y, z. That is, z is equal to V upon x, y. Okay. Since box is open at the top, therefore the surface area of the box xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Okay, student. The area of the bottom x into y and upper box is top at open at the top, therefore xy area there is no here. The side area yz, in one side yz, other side yz, and one side xz, and opposite side one side xz, that is 2xz. Okay. Therefore xy plus 2 x plus y into z, where z is equal to v upon xy. This is equal to xy plus 2v upon x plus 2v upon y. This is the surface. Now partial differentiation with respect to s, y minus 2v upon x square. Now r is equal to s equal 4v upon x cube. Now sy, partial differential with respect to y, x minus 2v upon y square. That t equal SYY. This is equal to 4V upon Y cube. Now SXY denoted by S, this is equal to 1. Okay. For stationary point, Sx is equal to 0 and Sy is equal to 0. Now putting Sx y minus 2v upon x square equal to x square. Now y is equal to 2v upon x square. Now Sy, x minus 2v upon y square, that is x is equal to 2v upon x square whole square. This is x is equal to x to the power 4 upon 2v. Now x is common, 1 minus x cube upon 2v equal to 0. X is equal to 0, it is not possible. Therefore 1 minus x cube upon 2v is equal to 0. That is x cube is equal to 2v, that is x is equal to 2v whole power 1 upon 3. Now putting the value of x in here, now y is equal to 2v upon x square, that is 2v whole power 2 by 3. Now y is equal to 2v whole power 1 by 3. Now z here, z is equal to v upon xy. This is equal to v upon 2 multiply and divide value of x 2v whole power 1 upon 3. Now y 2v whole power 1 by 3, that is 1 upon 2 2v whole power 1 upon 3. Okay. Now this is the dimension of the rectangular box. But stationary point, two v whole power 1 by 3 comma 2v whole power 1 by 3. This is the stationary point. Now here r is equal to 4v upon x cube. Value of x cube is equal to 2v. This is equal to 2. Now t is equal to value of t 4v upon y cube. This is equal to 2. Now s is equal to 1. Therefore rt minus s square, 2 into 2 minus 1 square, 4 minus 1, this is equal to 3 greater than 0, but r is equal to 2 always greater than 0 implies s will be minimum. Okay student, question is find the dimension of the box. This is equal to s to 2v whole power 1 upon 3, 2v whole power 1 upon 3, and height of the box 1 upon 2, 2v whole power 1 upon 3. The least material, that is s will be minimum. Okay student. Now next question. Question is find the dimension of dimensions of a rectangular box of maximum capacity maximum capacity whose surface area is given when number first box is open at the top, box is open at the top. Number second, box is closed. Okay, in the both two cases, when box is open at the top and box is closed, then find out the dimension of the box. That is, we calculate here length, breadth and height of the box. Solution: let x, y, z be the length, breadth and height of the box. Okay, therefore v is equal to x, y, z. This is equation first. Now s is equal to, now to show here capacity, that is v is maximum, but given is surface area. Surface area can be written as here nxy plus 2yz plus 2xz. This is represented by equation number 2. We have n equal to 1. Then box is open at the top. Box is open at the top. Now n is equal to 2. Then box is closed. Box is closed on all sides. On all sides. Okay. Now here important concept is, then we find out the v is maximum or minimum, which is depend on the surface area. That is equation number 2. Then we applied here Lagrange function. Such problem, when one function is maximum or minima depend on one and two restriction, then we apply here to solve the maximum minima problem Lagrange function. Here Lagrange function can be written as by Lagrange function f x y z equal volume xyz plus volume maxima or minima depend on given restriction, the restriction multiplied by any constant lambda nxy plus 2yz plus 2xz minus s. Okay, this is equation number 3. For stationary point, df is equal to 0. Now differentiate totally in equation number 3. Now differentiate with totally in equation number 3. We get df equal yz dx plus xz dy plus xy dz plus lambda bracket ny dx plus nx dy plus 2z dy plus 2y dz plus 2x dz plus 2z dx bracket close. Okay. Now df is equal to 0. Then dx component collect here, yz plus lambda ny plus 2z bracket close plus now dy component xz plus lambda nx plus 2z dy plus dz component xy plus lambda 2y plus 2x dz. This is equal to 0. Now comparing dx component yz plus lambda ny plus 2z equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Now xz plus lambda nx plus 2z, this is equal to 0. Equation number 5. xy plus lambda 2y plus 2x, this is equal to 0. Equation number 6. Now equation number 4 multiplied by x plus equation 5 multiplied by y plus equation 6 multiplied by z and add, then we get 3xyz plus lambda 2nxy plus 2xz plus 2yz plus 2yz plus 2xz, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 3xyz plus 2 lambda nxy plus 2yz 2xz, this is equal to 0. Now this is the value of s2s. Now 3v plus 2 lambda into s, this is equal to 0. That is lambda is equal to minus 3v upon 2s. This is the value of lambda. This is represented by equation number 7. Now putting the value of lambda in equation number 4, 5, 6, then we get, now here first in equation number 4, yz minus 3v upon 2s ny plus 2z, this is equal to 0. Okay. Now yz equal 3xyz upon 2s ny plus 2z. Now yz is cancelled by yz, implies that we get nxy plus 2xz equal 2s upon 3. This is equation number 8. Okay. Now putting the value of lambda in equation number 5, xz equal to 3xyz upon 2s nx plus 2z. Now xz cancelled by xz, implies that nxy plus 2yz, this is equal to 2s upon 3. This is represented by equation number 9. Now putting the value of 6 lambda value xy, this is equal to 3xyz upon 2s into 2y plus 2x. Now xy cancel, imply that 2yz plus 2xz, this is equal to 2s upon 3. This is equation by 10. Okay. Now equation number 9 subtracted by in equation number 8, then we get 2 z is common, x minus y is equal to 0. To 2x, very good, that is z is not equal to 0, implies x is equal to y. Okay. Now this is a very important relation. This is equation number 11. Okay, student. This is equation number 11. Now equation number 10 subtracted by equation number 9. Then we get nxy minus 2xz, this is equal to 0. Now ny is equal to 2z, that is z is equal to ny by 2. This is equation number 12. Okay, that is z is equal to nx by 2. Okay, now from equation number 2, we get, when equation number 2, x is equal to nxy, that is nx, value of y is equal to x, plus 2yz plus 2xz, 2xz, z is equal to nx by 2 plus 2xz equal to nx by 2. Now 2y cancel by this. Now s is equal to nx square plus nx square plus nx square. This is equal to 3nx square. Okay. Now x square equal to s upon 3n. Now case number first, n is equal to 1, then s square is equal to s by 3, that is x is equal to under root s by 3. This is equal to y. This is equal to 1 upon 2 this is equal to 1 upon 2 x is equal to y is equal to under root x by 3. Now z is equal to n is equal to 1 by 2. Now x is equal to under root s by 3. Now here s is equal to s upon under root 3, this is equal to y. Now z is equal to 1 upon 2 under root s by 3. This is the dimension of the box when n is equal to 1. That is, it is open out at the top. Now box is closed, that is n is equal to 2. Now x square is equal to s by 6. This is x is equal to under root s by 6. This is equal to y. Okay. This is equal to z. This is cuboid. Okay student, this is the complete solution.